Hello guys, and welcome to this presentation for startups who want to increase their B2B sales, where I will show you how to validate your product market fit and take the sales numbers from 0 to 500k annual recurring revenue in just 12 months using a systematic approach and sales automation. So before we get started, here is one of our successful case studies about our collaboration with Epiphonica, an amazing SaaS product which help companies to engage and retain customers with voice and text messages delivered to the right channels. It was indeed a very restricted area of business because of certain strict regulations. Still, we were able to help them in getting an average of 8 new sales opportunities a week, and the number is still growing. Amazing, isn't it? So who is this presentation for? If you are a startup entrepreneur or CEO with some concepts or ideas in your mind, or you have an MVP ready with you, or you might have built the product which you are unable to sell amongst your target market with some revenue as well because you haven't solved your sales and marketing funnels. And because of that, you don't have a predictable and profitable way to generate more leads, and you don't have a proven sales process that brings in customers at a price that makes sense. Let's say you have tried ads, they didn't work for you. You might have tried outbound prospecting, no results. You may have hired a sales team, but they are not able to generate enough amount of leads, which makes you stressed, obsessed, and you are reading all the sales and marketing stuff available in the market, let's say books or blogs on the internet, but you are still struggling to implement those teachings. So you know the language of your business, you know the tools, you are technical, you understand the abstract concepts, you understand the design and product development, you know that you are on the verge of a massive success, but all you need is a little bit of help. You know that once you crack this particular code, your company will worth millions. So you are obviously motivated, smart, technical, and you have all the resources at your disposal. All you need is just the right game plan to pull it all together. So now here is the core concept. If you can understand this, everything will make sense. So first of all, in order to grow your business and build a well-planned automated sales system with a predictable and profitable sales pipeline and run your sales on autopilot, you need to have a great product and a high converting automated sales funnel. As we know that most of the teams do not have sufficient funnel building skills in-house and they seek for outside help. Here, LeadSync is the only company dedicated to helping businesses build an effective automated sales funnels. Here is a quick background about LeadSync professionals. Yannick Tigane, an amazing entrepreneur having 10 years of experience in direct sales and marketing. He has led international sales teams in France, Germany, and Estonia. Since 5 years, he has been entrepreneur in the field of sales and marketing automation, where he is helping other entrepreneurs. Secondly, this is me, Shubhanshu Chaturvedi. I have 5 years of experience in digital sales and marketing with 4 years of core inbound marketing and sales generation. Since 3 years, I am also helping businesses in automating their standard sales processes. So let's get started now with our very first step, that is product market fit. So if you are an owner of a startup and you don't want to burn your money into ashes, which is obviously a very painful thing, the first and the foremost thing you need to do is to validate your product market fit cost effectively by reaching out to the right audience at the right time with the right message. So here, the first sub-step of product market fit is to research on your niche, or you isolate it, because it's a saying that if you try to catch 10 fishes with one sling rod, you will end up catching none. So you isolate your niche, you understand their requirement, you develop an MVP, that is minimum viable product, and test it across your ideal customer profile and or the buyer's persona. So once you get the MVP ready, it's necessary to segment the buyer's persona and reach them with your solution. Here, foundational sales copy play a vital role in building up the message and email scripts to float your message and make it resonate with your target market through outbound prospecting, which is a combination of LinkedIn and email outreach programs. Obviously, you do not want to send them a message on their professional profiles that, hey, I just came across your profile and I was intrigued, or we both belong to the same industry, or we both share the common interest or some common connections. because that will not resonate with them, and they will be like, okay, why are you here, why are you pitching me? So it's very much necessary to script your messages in a way where you can actually reach them with your solution. So once the cold prospect starts to resonate with your message, they will start responding through a call to action. That could be your website or a landing page, or maybe book an appointment also you can redirect, but without giving them enough information, you would not get them redirected to the appointment page. So as soon as you start getting appointments, you validate your product on the basis of the feedback you receive from the market. So the next step is to develop your product further and get 5 to 10 paying customers. So this process will help you in validating your pricing or offer strategies, product development, whether it is appropriate product for your niche or not, and sales scripts by collecting successful case studies and build them as a social proof to generate trust amongst your prospects. Here is a quick flow of how this architecture looks like. You define a problem and a solution or a niche, and you understand their needs. Then you build a buyer's persona on the basis of their locations, positions, industry, or the services they are into. Then if you have found enough prospects, you proceed. Otherwise, you have to rework on your niche. So once you have found the sufficient amount of prospects to test your product with, you prepare the minimum viable product. Then how will you reach your prospects? There you start scripting your messages and email scripts and the sales letter page script with the help of foundational sales copy. And after that, you launch your outbound prospecting campaigns. So once the prospect is engaged, you redirect them to your sales letter page where you provide them some knowledge about your solution, and then get them on the call through booking an appointment. So once you book an appointment, once the prospect books an appointment with you, you get them on a call. Then you perform a demo and you describe them about your solution. And basis of that, you build your product fully, and then again reach them with your full-fledged solution. So let's assume that they during the outbound prospecting, they signed up for a trial. So now it's mandatory to reach them and convert them into a full paying customers, and then collect some successful case studies. So by the end of this step, you will be able to validate your product, your pricing offers, your scripts, and then you convert them into your 5 to 10 paying customers, and you will end up having some successful case studies which will help you in building a strong business thesis. So the second step is the setting up the sales automation. But in order to set up sales automation for your business, you need to first complete and validate the step 1, that is product market fit. So once the product market fit step is validated, you need to set up an automated self-serve funnel for your business to automate the standardized tasks and start closing sales effortlessly in the most cost efficient way. Because we actually value your money, and because obviously it's a crisis time and you may end up losing a lot of money on incomplete or broken sales processes. So to start with, you need to build a high resonating sales letter page whose component will be a video sales letter, and you validate that with the help of a case study which was collected in step 1, and use it as a social proof to create more trust amongst your visitors or the prospects. Again, here you will use foundational sales copy or the foundational copywriting to create a content funnel on the sales letter page and launch outbound campaigns, which is again a combination of LinkedIn and email outreach programs to connect with more prospects. Here you can also retarget your prospects with follow-up sequences in mails and messages, and also by creating custom audiences, which will reduce your marketing expenses by almost 50%. So because it is very much mandatory to retarget those prospects who haven't taken any action on your sales letter page or maybe your book an appointment page. So for a successful sales automation, you need to orchestrate the right set of tools to qualify the cold prospects into warm leads, get them on a call, and convert them into customers through high converting demos. And just remember one thing, it is very important to validate every step in sales automation in order to avoid any conflicts in the sales system and to scale your business further. How the architecture looks like, you build up your thesis with the help of the case study and use it as a social proof. You optimize your social media profile, you start outbound prospecting, and here you initialize the paid advertising campaigns as well to redirect more people on your sales letter page, which was built using foundational sales copy, and whose components could be a video sales letter where you can do a personalized approach. You can create a video with a personalized approach towards your prospects and giving them more information like who is it for, the key features and benefits of the products, and you can describe your product in a better way. It will be a total personalized approach towards your prospects, and then you validate it with the help of the case study. So after that, if the prospect is getting engaged with your sales letter page, you give them an appropriate call to action. Otherwise, you need to rework on the foundational copywriting. Once they take some action, they click on your call to action button, you do not want to get them directly on the booking, because there are lots of leads which are coming in, and you do not wish to it's very much difficult to filter out the right prospects, and you do not want to waste your time behind that. So you qualify those leads with the help of a optimized quiz page, or it could be a short questionnaire asking about their business, so that you can easily filter out whether this prospect is the right one for me or not. So that will obviously reduce your time and money and other resources. And then you redirect them to the booking page where they can book an appointment and with you, and you go on a call for a demo or a discovery call, it could be. So once you do the demo, you convert them into the customer. If not, then you need to go back and rework on your business thesis. So by the end of this step, you end up having around 20 customers, I would say, or your return on investment should be 3 times. And remember here the orchestration of tools for automating the standardized processes of, let's say, follow-ups, retargeting, and qualifying the leads. So orchestration of tools is very much important in the right manner. Coming down to the third and the final step is scale your business. So it is very much important before you start scaling your business. It is very much important to complete and validate your step 1 and 2. So once you have validated this step 1 and 2, you can scale your business by optimizing the self-serve funnel, which was created in step 2, and deploy a sales team. So a previously built sales system makes hiring and onboarding of highly skilled salespeople easier. Why? Because obviously the lead generation or sales opportunity generation process has already been looked after by the sales system, and these leads are actually already qualified. So it will be very much easier to just hire commission only salespeople. So the salespeople can now focus on performing sales demos or calls on the leads which are already qualified. So this becomes a performance-oriented task for the salespeople and thus reduces the management cost. You can now further scale your business for more sales opportunities by paid advertising with media buyers or engaging more channel partners. So once again, you optimize your self-serve funnel, you optimize the scripts, you optimize the pricing strategies, and you optimize the orchestration of tools to just see whether the alignment of the tools is working properly or not. Then once it is done, you install a sales commission team and with the help of it, let's say a webinar funnel or LinkedIn or job portals, and then you scale the paid ads with media buyers and or by engaging more channel partners. And on further, if you wish to expand your business, you can scale up your sales with sales development representatives territory wise. So by the end of successfully completing and validating these 3 steps, you will be able to scale your business from 2 times to 10 times. Obviously, here it is very much important to understand one thing. In order to scale your business up to 10 times or even 2 times or 5 times, the kind of product you are dealing with, the kind of niche you are dealing with, it is very much important to understand this one particular concept. So summarizing it all together, if you first isolate your niche and focus resources and get your first case study. Then secondly, you build your sales system, which includes video sales letter funnel for niche, and tested using methods like cold email, LinkedIn prospecting, and paid advertising. And finally, you scale up lead generation and sales using paid traffic campaigns like cold ad targeting or retargeting and a sales team. So what do we offer at LeadSyn? So we at LeadSyn build the sales system for your business as a service. So we do it in close cooperation with you because you are the expert in your field and we have the expertise what we can use to make your sales processes work and generate more sales on autopilot. So basically your expertise, we have the expertise of building the sales funnel, you have the expertise of your field. So we combine, we closely collaborate with you and work with you to build the sales processes and generate more sales on autopilot. Makes sense? Secondly, like every business, whether it's on the idea stage or you have some kind of buyer's persona build up, or you might have some kind of sales processes ongoing. So we help you to analyze the current processes and find the loopholes and make necessary orchestrations to make the whole system work efficiently. We do not believe in starting everything from scratch. Obviously, if you do not have, we will do it if required. But first we help you to analyze the current processes. Coming to some frequently asked questions, the first one is, when can I expect the results? So you will obviously start seeing the results from the very first month. On the other hand, like every company has a different sales setup because every business has different algorithms. So that's why we take a minimum duration of 3 months to build up a successful sales system and deliver you the first results. After that, it is up to you whether you wish to continue with us for optimizing your sales or funnel or the sales system, or you wish to be on your own and do it on your own with your team, because you by the end of these 3 months you must have gained sufficient knowledge. So secondly, my business is a very niche and has a very personal approach. Is automation good for my business? So yes, obviously, because we do not keep your business algorithms on automation. We only automate the processes which require no human efforts. And you already might be wasting a lot of time and resources behind them, like follow-ups or qualifying the leads. Thirdly, I have a sales team in-house. Shouldn't they be doing this? So yes, they should, but as this stuff is quite complicated and most of the employees don't have sufficient knowledge, they may lack systematic approach. So in order to build an effective support for your sales team, we recommend you to take an expert help while setting up the initial funnels and validate them cost efficiently. Maybe you have the skilled people at place, but they do not have that expertise in every vertical of the sales system. It could be a technical or a sales or a copywriting or any vertical. And if you try to do so, or your team try to implement these things on their own, there will be high cost involved in, because you need to experiment with lot of tools and scripts. So you may end up losing a lot of money. Lastly, I have been approached by similar companies before. What's new with your company? So as I mentioned, unlike many other companies, we don't just focus on one part of the sales system, just like LinkedIn lead generation or sales automation. So because we believe that having just few parts of the engine in place will not make it an engine. Even having all the right parts would require an expertise to make it work. So in simple words, let's say you might not be having all the right set of tools. Maybe if you have some right set of tools, they might be very few. Or even if you might have all the set of tools which is required for your business, they might not be aligned in the optimized or in a proper manner. So this is where LeadSyn comes in. We first analyze the parts you already have in place and complete them with the necessary tools and processes. We underline that the only person who truly understands your market enough is you. So combining your expertise with the sales engine building knowledge of LeadSyn, the outcome is a highly effective sales system addressing your target market. Make sense? Coming down to the process, we write foundational copy, focus on one niche and develop messaging around transformation, create laser focused video sales letter pitch which is used for selling, build marketing funnel with niche specific content where end terminal could be a questionnaire or a booking page depending on the product or service or basically your business you are into. Validate marketing channels, that is outbound prospecting, paid advertising, channel partners. Validate sales process with a junior employee. Like here it is very much important to validate the sales process with your junior staff. That could be a sales team, marketing team, or the customer success department, because these are the people who are constantly in touch with your prospects or the customers, so they understand their requirements. So it's very much necessary to validate the sales process with them. Then you we validate the unit case economics, scale lead generation, and scale sales team. Quick benefits: you can validate your sales funnel quickly, get to your revenue goal quickly, remain capital efficient, hire the right people at the right time, build an incredible investment thesis, and you end up building a profitable business. Features: you'll get access to foundational sales copy templates, asset templates like articles, video sales letters, webinars, structuring landing pages or the sales letter pages, creating and launching outbound campaigns, assisting writing your sales script, creating email templates for email campaigns, creating opt-in pages and channels, plan paid traffic campaigns, plan and create webinar or hire sales team. So after hearing all these things, now you have two options. Either you can do it by yourself, however it could take you a long time to isolate your niche. You could struggle building your initial funnel and validating it with free sources. If you don't have strong copywriting skills, the funnel would not function, obviously, because your message will not resonate with your target market. You could struggle with outbound prospecting, that is wrong message, wrong sequence, or wrong tools. It may happen that your message is again not resonating with your target market, or the sequence is not appropriate, or you might be using a wrong tool, which again is a very costly method of testing. So you could struggle with validating cold traffic and scaling out outbound prospecting. It's extremely challenging to line up all the pieces properly, and to do so you have to spin multiple plates. If you have never done this before, there is a good chance that you will fail or run out of money, which actually does not make any sense for startups. So, but on the other hand, if you work with LeadSyn, we work with you and your team for 3 to 12 months to help you set up, validate your funnel. You save months, if not years. You can test ideas, markets, offers quickly without spending much money. You stop failing. You actually maximize your profits. You can get investor returns. You can scale profitably. You build the right product for the right person at the right time. It will be easy to raise money if you wish to do so, and you end up decreasing the stress levels and uncertainty. So, who is this for? Again, this is for the entrepreneurs or CEOs of a startup who has a developed product or some kind of concepts or ideas in their mind, looking for investor or funding, tired of bootstrapping, worried about sinking money and resources, and you might have spent a lot of money on unproductive tools and teams. So now you might be having one question in your mind, that will it work for my business or not? So yes, because it is a world-class strategy with complete package of resources, templates and wireframes. It's a proven method for high-ticket selling businesses, which is backed up by successful professionals. And as I mentioned before, we at LeadSyn, we build the sales system for your business as a service. We do it in a close cooperation with you. So at any given point of time, you don't lose the traction of your business and your expertise. We actually club your expertise and our sales funnel building knowledge together to make your sales processes work and generate more sales on autopilot. So if any of these things make sense to you, below this video, you can see a button. Click on it, fill in a short questionnaire about your business, and you will be redirected to the booking page where you can book an appointment at your convenient time for a quick discovery call with us and get a tailored quotation for your business.